factory. This is probably a season closer today. We're gonna check out the show and some of the cars. Here we go. We got a line of cars over here. We got a couple Skylines here. Nissan 240S Lexus. Oh. Hey, what year is that MR2? 86? Nice. I got an 89, but it's sitting in the garage. Very cool. This one looks pretty cool. I like the wing in the back and the body kit. Check out the inside. It's all set up for drifting, it looks like.
I would say aftermarket availability, dude.
A couple of Nissan Z's over here in the front. Old one, new one. Lots of Lexuses today. Honda S2000 in white. That's a great color. Gotta check out this Toyota Previa. This thing's badass. Nice. Is this one supercharged?
Oh yeah.
Dude, I love these things.
Yeah, they're cool.
I think that it was yours. I got a really good picture of yours. It was during the nighttime in South Barrington. Were you there?
I've been over there, but you can tell by the wheels. I don't know if it was me or not. There's someone in Chicago that has a white one too.
Okay. I mean, it looks. I mean, yours looks really good. So I think that was it. Yeah.
Might have been, yeah.
This thing looks badass. 4-wheel drive, supercharged. New Nissan Zs. Toyota MR2 second gen with the body kit, wide body kit. Let's check out the back. Faux boy. Looks cool. Next to a Nissan 240SX. I used to have one of these. Manual. Yep. It's one of my favorite cars to drive. We're gonna check out what's in the back.
You gotta think outside the box.
Exactly. I'm like, we gotta think long term. Like, right?
What is this? What's a V8 in there? What is this thing? Oh, that's a BMW with a V8. This thing looks super nice. Old school Toyota Supra, right-hand drive. Look at these seats, nice and plush. Subaru Forester, lowered. It actually looks decent next to a S2000. Love this thing with the white rims. Nice. Manual. Check out the back. From Indiana. Awesome Miata here. Body kit lowered, hard top, roll cage, carbon fiber. Mazda speed it looks like. Looks pretty cool. Carbon fiber mirrors. Graveyard performance. Looks nice. From Illinois. Another S2000. You know, there's so many S2000s here. Like just over here, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's probably like 10 or 15 S2000s. Mitsubishi Evo with carbon fiber. Got some nice scoops right there. It's nice. Love the S2000s. These are with the hard tops. Very cool. We got a, what is it, Silvia over here, I believe. Supra, Nissans, Altiza. Very cool. A couple more Nissans here. 240SXs. Damn, shiny. That looks nice. What's a straight 6 in there? What is that, a 2JZ with a turbo? Crazy. Look at that. Nissan and a Toyota Subaru. So there's a ton of Lexuses, Hondas, Toyotas. It's pretty cool. Supra. Here's a couple more S2000s, 4 more. Subarus. There's a Nissan Skyline right there. I love the color, white and red. White rims, red paint. This thing out with a body kit and a tail. Wait, I love these little Civics. This one looks like it's got carbon fiber lip and hood, mirrors. Looks like it's manual. Carbon fiber tail, and then the back is carbon fiber right there also. Nice rims. 4-spoke. Check out these rims. A newer Acura NSX. Looks pretty sweet. This thing is wider than I thought. I love the intake with the real, what's it called, cooler in there. This thing looks badass. It looks comfy actually. This is something I would actually buy. Carbon fiber tail. Love it. Really nice. Look at this. Check out the rims. Look cool. Honda Fit RS. I didn't know there was such a model. Nice little rims. Looks pretty cool. Boobies. All right, we're gonna check what's out there. Knew that came in. Got a couple puppies over here. All right, let's see what's new that rolled up. There's a couple Skylines over here, red and blue, both right-hand drive. And then this, love this one.
When I was cycling off of it, my knees started to start hurting.
This color combo is great. Check out these rims. And it's American with a spoiler. Love this model with the flip-up lights. Yeah. Let's check it out.
Oh, so my buddy was there. He's actually going out there.
That's awesome.
That's so cool.
Yeah. All right, cool. I think that's a Skyline over here. No. Oh, that's a 240SX. Lots of 240SX. SXs here. This is the like notchback one, and then this is the hatchback one. These are a bunch of 240SXs here.
I was so close to buying it, but there was a Russell like the size of like this. No mileage.
This purple one looks pretty cool. Yep. One yellow Supra. All right, we're gonna see what's over here. 240SX convertible, real nice.
So the DRLs aren't.
And then that's 2000. Really cool. Check out this Volkswagen over here. Carbon fiber spoiler. Looks like it's sitting low. I don't know if it's on bags or it's just lowered. But here's another one. Love the rims, BBS rims. All right, I want to show you something pretty cool. All the Lexus I think the LS Lexus. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a Skyline. Devin boy. M2. Alright, check out this wing. Looks like everybody's moving out of this parking lot. My car's in here too. But this thing looks pretty cool. Nice. SC300s and 400s. Alright, we gotta move our car. Got a couple Civics here. These are pretty cool. We missed this whole part over there, but we got to go home. We got to get to some soccer practice, so a couple Civics right there. Anyway, this was Cars and Coffee TV. I hope you liked the program. Touge Factory, and I think this is the season closer because it's at the end of the season. So I'll see you guys next year at the Touge Factory. There's a couple more auto shows today and tomorrow to take a look, so look for that as well. All right, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.